Camp Kinderland had a tremendous impact on me. I was there for 4 years. After that first year, it was for the summer, for the full summer. My folks came in April of '46, so that summer of '46, summer of '47, and summer of '48, spent my full summers there. Both of my folks were workers, shop workers. What happened is that my mother's salary for that summer went exclusively for my camp, tuition and so on. Had a tremendous impact. It politicized me even more than I had been. It gave me a very rich, not only Yiddish culture, because we did go to Kinderschule. I can't say that it was every day, but certainly several times a week. And I thought it was a lot of fun. Other kids didn't think so, some of them, but I sure enjoyed it. We did plays, we learned songs and so on. And in '47 and subsequent years, no, was it 40? Yeah, '47 and '48, Pete Seeger came. He just lived down the road, so he came and spent 2 weeks with us. So in no time, I was singing, Irish songs like Kevin Barry, as well as Zognit Kamel and Villa Bijan and all these other songs. So yeah, camp had a tremendous impact, and not only the programs in terms of culture, but also just the communal life and the way things were arranged. We had a communal kassa, as it was called. That's a Russian word, obviously for those days, in which kids pooled their money together. We just put money in there. And so on what was called free night, we would go down to the camp store, and we each had whatever, 25 cents to spend, taken from the kassa. Life at camp was really very exciting for me from beginning to end.